Today I'm here at Whitehouse Machine Tools in Kenilworth. The primary reason for my visit is to look at this new turning centre, this Biglia B620 YS. Now this is a twin spindle, single turret Y-axis turning centre, a machine that was launched earlier this year. Now earlier on I caught up with Tom Hughes, who's the sales director from Whitehouse Machine Tools. I challenged him as to why engineers should select this machine when buying a new turning centre.
The Biglia 620 YS is a brand new model from Biglia. It replaces an old model, B565. It has a few enhancements to it, and some of the key points are that twin spindle, main spindle has got a 30 kilowatt motor, direct drive. Sub spindle has got a 15 kilowatt motor, direct drive. It has a 15 station turret with Y-axis. It's mainly for one-hit machining. People want to have bar go in one end and finished parts come out the other. The machine can be used for heavy-duty cutting as well as accurate machining. It incorporates boxways on the X-axis and the Y-axis, and we have the linear guide rail on the Z-axis. Z-axis is normally the longest axis, so they may have compromised a bit on rigidity with the Z-axis, but you gain on speed. As far as accuracy is concerned, most of our customers, some of them in the aerospace or high precision machining, can expect to achieve better than 5 micron accuracy. So it can be used heavy cutting, as I say, as well as accurate machining.
So if this was the first time I'd purchased a multi-axis turning centre, I needed to know what sort of support and backup Whitehouse Machine Tools could offer me.
Well, the support we install and commission the machines, which is obviously pretty important, but we go a bit further than that. You know, we pride ourselves on the engineering backup that we give. We don't specify any number of days to do the training or assistance with engineering report. We will give the customer as long as he needs or requires. Biglia machines are made in Italy. They're manufacturing about 500 a year, and they employ 200 people, but they only make CNC turning machines and mainly multi-axis. We've been selling them for nearly 25 years now, so I would expect that there would be maybe 600 or 700 machines installed altogether.
So there you have it, the Biglia B620 YS, a new machine to Whitehouse Machine Tools. Come here to their headquarters in Kenilworth to see this machine in action.